All right, guys. Murphy Firearms Training here. This is Chris. Some gratuitous extra violence. I have 4 water jugs left, and I've done all the testing I'm going to do today. And so I have got a Barnes Vortex hollow point loaded in this polymer 80 firearm with the ported barrel. I'll show you the barrel ports. And I got some mud on it because it was laying on the bench when I was doing another test. And we're going to shoot these water jugs with it to see what this thing does. I did not have great luck with this hollow point out of a short barrel, so we're going to try it out of a 4.5-inch barrel and see what happens. So some gratuitous violence just because. All right, guys. Range is hot. Here we go. That was that splashed back quite a bit. So apparently the Barnes ammo really likes that longer barrel because that splashed back quite a bit. Let's take a look. All right, here we go. As we approach the table, first things first, what have we got? The first jug is split wide open. Exit wound looks to be centered right here, pretty good. Entrance wound is centered here. Exit wound is here. 2 full jugs, and it literally hit the third jug, did not bust it, and expanded to that. And so, out of a long barrel, the Barnes Vortex ammo, this is the Barnes Vortex ammo, out of a long barrel, it looks like it opens up real wide and doesn't penetrate as deep. So 2 water jugs. Take that for what you will. 2 water jugs out of a 4.5-inch barrel. That's a Glock 17 size barrel. It is a ported barrel. But anyway, that's what we got. And jug 3's got a small leak, and jug 4's laying on the ground sad. So anyway, and the hollow point literally hit and landed on the table, which is insane to me. But anyway, that is a pretty hollow point, but it only penetrates 2 jugs. You be the judge if that's enough for you. A violent amount of splashback, I will say that. So, take it for what it is. Guys, thanks for the support. Appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed it.